Hi everyone, Zeta here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will give a tutorial on how to make a vehicle animation, or I have to say how to rig a vehicle in a Blender. First of all, let's prepare our vehicle model that we want to rig. Here I am using Nissan Diesel Condor model for the example. You can use any vehicle model that you have, like a car or a truck. And then we have to make sure that the body and the wheel are a separated object, and each wheel must also be separated. If the wheel not separate, we can select the wheel and go to edit mode, or you can press tab on your keyboard for a shortcut to open edit mode menu. Then select the wheel that we want to separate, press P and choose selection to separate the object. If the wheels are separated, we can repeat the step to each wheel. Okay, now we have all objects separated. Next, we have to add an empty object to make it easier to generate the position of the bone on the vehicle. To make it easier to position the empty as we want, we have to change the origin of the object. First, select the 3D cursor menu and place it in the center of the wheel. Then right-click, select the Set Origin menu, Origin to 3D cursor, Shift A, and select Empty. And now the empty object is in the center of the wheel. We can repeat the step to the other wheel, set origin to 3D cursor, Shift A, and empty. We can duplicate the empty object to the rear wheel. First, select the empty object, press Shift D, move it to the back, and we can adjust it to the position of the rear wheel. And the last one, we have to set the empty object to the body. Next step, we have to parent the object to the empty, but before that, we have to activate the Rigacar add-on. Go to Edit mode and select Preference. In Add-on menu, search Rigacar and check the box to activate. If you don't have it, please download it from the link in the description and go to Install menu, select the add-on folder and select the file. Okay, now we can set the parent, select the object that we want to be a child, and press Shift, select the empty, press Ctrl P, object, keep transform, and repeat the step to all the object and the empty. After finish, now we have to rename the empty object. First, you can press F2 and rename the object with the name of the car. Wheel, active for the front wheel, and L. Repeat the step with the following naming, like I did. After finishing rename it, now we have to parent all of the empty to the empty body. And we can start to using Rigacar add-on. With all the empty still selected, go to the Add menu, select Armature, and select Car Deformation Rig. After the bone appears and is in the right place, then we can generate the rig. Go to the Rigacar menu and press Generate. Now we have the rig controller to animate our vehicle. Here the controller from the back wheel, the front wheel controller, suspension controller, and the road controller. As you can see, if I move the road, the wheel not rotating. We can fix it in the Rigacar menu and check the wheel on X-axis menu. And now, the wheel rotating when the vehicle is moving. That's it, how to rig a vehicle using Rigacar add-on in the Blender. Now you can start animating your vehicle and make a great animation.